Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and I'm of course at the red carpet here in Hyderabad. We are celebrating the best films from Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam industry and I have a very proud nominee. Congratulations. It's, Dasara has been a film that has been discussed, has been loved and gotten a lot of, and it's also been a project that you've been very proud of, right? Tell me, how does it feel to get validated, right? Like getting a nomination for it?
I feel very happy. This is my first nomination in Filmfare and it's the first time I'm coming to Filmfare. So Dasara brought me here. So yeah, very excited and I want to see what is there inside. So I've been watching it on the TV for a very long time. So
Which actor are you hoping that you bump into,
I don't know. A lot of actors, yeah, but let's see.
Any favorite ones?
A lot. There are a lot of favorite actors from Kamal Haasan sir to in Telugu Chiranjeevi sir. A lot of actors, yeah.
I think it's fantastic. I'm going to ask you some fun questions. Are you ready? Okay. A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh. It has to be a funny one. Like someone makes like a funny statement about you.
That I'm married and I have a kid. I read this about me in Google.
So not true, he is not. So, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, on that note, if you had to swap your life with an actor, who would that be and why?
Sorry?
If you had to swap your life with an actor, who would that be and why?
I think Kamal Haasan sir.
Great choice, thank you so much. And I have the host with me, Sandeep.
Hello, hi.
What's up? Hello.
Welcome to Hyderabad to begin with.
Thank you so much. It's been a very warm welcome. What do you have in store for us? Is some exciting stuff for sure, I know.
It's going to be a film fan night, so it's going to be exciting for sure. But that apart, I think there's going to be a lot of magic tonight because I think this is one of those events where it's about the whole cross-culture South Indian cinema that is happening today, which is beautiful. So based on what I know of the whole event flow, it's going to be a very exciting night.
It's always fun when you also have like your co-stars like Aparna and also kind of joining in, isn't it? Because and you guys got so much love recently.
Yeah, it's been so overwhelming, especially because usually I'm used to this kind of attention in Telugu to my cinema, but for Tamil this has been like magical. Even the kind of response the film has been getting of the song, and so today there's going to be Aparna performing, there's going to be Rashi performing. These are two performances I'm really looking forward to.
So the love for Ryan continues.
Thankfully, it's just 1 week and second week into the film, so I hope it goes on for a while longer in the theaters and then on OTT later. So yeah.
So we are hoping for more collaborations with Dhanush and you then.
I think we've done 2 for this year already. So yeah, hopefully.
But fantastic. Okay, some fun questions. Are you ready? Okay. One underrated actor from the industries that we have.
It's a very tricky question. Why do you come up with all the tricky questions right at the red carpet? Should I name myself for that? Can I? Am I allowed to? Thank you. Me?
You? I think a lot of people would disagree.
Because underrated is a very risky term to take on people, so I'd rather take it. Yeah.
Really?
So,
No, underrated also means that the person, like people
deserves
need to see
more.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it also comes with a lot of pressure, right?
Like
Living up to that is a very difficult task.
But I like how you chose yourself, Sandeep. Well done. Okay, an actor you think has been really, truly experimental this year?
Dhanush to begin with Captain Miller, and then with Ryan. He's also directed his film. It takes a lot of guts to make that kind of a film on your 50th film and direct it, and give so much screen space to your co-stars. So I think he deserves that.
If Sandeep had...
Success yesterday, so yeah.
Absolutely. If you had to swap your lives with another actor, ever, if hypothetical situation, Sandeep, who would you choose and why?
Ideally nobody. I'm very happy with my life, but if I really had to, anybody would want to choose someone like Shah Rukh, right? Why not? I'd love to be living in Mannat. Like, so sure, why not? But
Sure, why
that apart, sure, we'll get there someday.
We'll get this someday. Okay, a movie that you really cheered for this year. We have some fantastic ones.
The most has been Kalki. Kalki is a film that I really cheered out for, and it's amazing what they've pulled off in India and that kind of a visual spectacle. The sheer ambition is just so inspiring.
A rumor about yourself that makes you truly laugh. It has to be really funny and ridiculous that you heard recently about yourself.
I have never really heard a funny, ridiculous humor about it. I wish, because most of the rumors are usually the most stressful ones. The funny, ridiculous ones is something I'd like. Like, I don't know, a lot of people think I'm Tamil speaking, like I'm Tamilian, but I'm actually Telugu.
Correct.
But that's an interesting rumor which I've been hearing about myself. So yeah.
That's okay.
It's an interesting one. It's a nice one. So yeah.
But thank you so much, really. Thank you once again.